Wagwan. So the Nyabingi, the most traditional, the oldest one, they usually do like a lot of drumming, the Nyabingi drum, a lot of drumming and chanting and them things there. Yeah. And they believe in repatriation back to Africa, things like that. So the Bobo Shanti members, they wear turbans and robes. The Bobo Shanti also believe in the Holy Trinity, which is Haile Selassie, Marcus Garvey, and Prince Emmanuel. The 12th tribe of Israel, they believe in Haile Selassie. They all believe in Haile Selassie. And also encourage their members to read the Bible, like a chapter a day. Big up on yourself.